And joining us now is a very special guest on this campaign trail, Jaya Bachchan, actor, MP, and someone who doesn't traditionally campaign, because I've seen you very effective in Parliament, but I don't see you too often in campaigning. So what brings you this time to Bengal?
I always campaign for my party. I have campaigned in Bengal before for Samajwadi Party, and this time my leader Akhilesh Yadav asked me to come to support Mamata Banerjee and what she stands for.
It's also your Bengali origins that in a sense people are invoking, saying this is Jaya Bachchan in a way returning back to her roots.
Well, I'm not. I was not born here. I'm a Probashi Bangali, as you know. You're married to a Bengali. But I started my career from this part of the country.
That's right, Rishikesh Mukherjee of course.
No, I started from Mohanagar. I was 13 years old then with Satyajit Ray.
Okay, so Goody of course came
Later.
I must ask you this though, that do you think that Mamata is the right person for Bengal? She's the only woman chief minister at the moment in the country. Are you coming here to campaign for Mamata Di, or because, as I said, you said your party leadership asked you to come?
I am coming here because I support what she stands for. I support that this lady has a spirit that I don't think many men leaders have in this country. And of course, Samajwadi Party and Akhilesh Yadav are standing by her.
Because there's a lot of criticism of Mamata this time. The BJP is a very dominant force now in Bengal, and they're really putting all their force into this campaign. We met Mithunda on the campaign. He's campaigning for the BJP. He was earlier with the Trinamool. Do you think Mamata is fighting with her back to the wall, or do you think she can actually win?
I think she will win.
Where does that confidence come from? Is there something that you've seen as you've been on these road shows?
Yes.
What is that?
It is Amader mein Amra Ferot chai.
Question one is Hindu-Muslim. Does it worry you when you hear of Hindu-Muslim divides?
You know, I don't think about these things. I've not been brought up thinking like this, and I cannot change my mindset at this age. I have never believed in all this. I do not believe in this divide, and I will not, as long as I live.
I must ask you this. I've seen you, as I said, in Parliament, very effective. Now you're on the campaign trail. Are you, in a sense, now enjoying politics? Because many actors haven't made the transition, including, dare I say, Mr. Bachchan, but you seem to have made it very effectively.
Have I? I don't know. I do what my heart tells me to do.
So what keeps you in politics? Because you are a full-time, you are at least a part-time politician. Now you attend Parliament regularly. What is it about politics, about being in Parliament, being on the campaign trail?
It's so easy to sit in the balcony and criticize. How about getting down?
As a campaigner, what's the best thing you like about campaigning, meeting people? Are you someone who enjoys that?
Rajdeep, the most important thing is the mind of a Bengali, the culture, the tradition, the upbringing of a Bengali should not be destroyed, cannot be destroyed. And that is what I fear, is people who do not know this are coming to destroy. They will not be able to do it. Maybe they will try, they'll make an inroad into it. But that Bengali spirit, you can't destroy.
What is the Bengali spirit? Because on the other side, the opposition says it's led to corruption. They make serious charges of corruption, cut money. What is this Bengali culture then?
I don't want to make any allegations against anybody. But let me tell you, in Bengal, the respect people have for Didi and Dada, ये गंगा जमनी संस्कृति जो है, उसका जो मिश्रण है, उसका पूरा स्वरूप आपको बंगाल में दिखाई देता है.
Is Jaya Bachchan going to on these road shows as the actor Jaya Bachchan or as the politician first? Because there's a lot of attraction for you in these parts, you know.
Good. I'm glad.
No, after all these years, they still want to shake your hands, get an autograph. You still have a lot of charm for the people of Bengal.
I'm very indebted to them. I thank them with folded hands. And if they really love me and if they really care for me, they must support Mamata, because she is single-handedly a woman fighting against
one final question. You've worn your mask perfectly. On this campaign trail, we've met many politicians, they don't wear the mask. And these are COVID times. In Mumbai, COVID is raging. Bachchan Saab had COVID. Your son had it. Your daughter-in-law had it. What's the message?
I wear it as a precaution. I keep telling all these young girls who are here without the mask all the time to wear a mask. But
Jaya Bachchan, you're wearing saffron today, but you're campaigning for... This is not saffron?
No.
What color is this?
yellow,
This is yellow, because I thought for a moment that...
not at all.
and I presume saffron doesn't belong to any particular party or individual?
Absolutely not. And that's what I said in my press conference. Don't hijack my religion. Don't hijack my democratic right.
Ma'am?
And that is what I'm fighting for.
Those are very strong words, Didi. Thank you very much. Jayaji, thank you very much.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.